way of introduction, it's an absolute pleasure to be your auction today. What I will be doing is speaking a little bit about the rules, the paperwork, and then of course passing it on to security bidding. We're selling in the Schedule 1 Sale of Land Act 2014, and by law, I must advise. The auction will be conducted in accordance with any rules or additional conditions made available before the start of the auction. The auction rules prohibit an auctioneer from accepting bids or offers after the property has been successfully knocked down. The vendors have a reserve price. As the auctioneer, I will indicate bidders on request. The law prohibits false bids and prohibits major disruptions and provides fines for this conduct. The rules permit vendor bids. The words that were used during the auction indicate I'm making bids on behalf of the vendor, a vendor bid. By law, only I, as your auctioneer, can make a vendor bid. As your auctioneer, I can make one or more bids on behalf of the vendor at any time, may refuse any bid or determine the amount in which the bidding is to be advanced. I may withdraw the property from sale at any time. In the event of a dispute, I may resubmit the bid at the last undisputed bid or simply start the bidding again. Now, if the property is passed in below the vendor's reserve price, the vendor will have the first right to negotiate with the highest bidder. So what that basically means, ladies and gentlemen, is that for you to bid a fight, you must have your hand up in the air at all times. Quite literally, last week we had a situation where we passed the property in and 4 families came up to me and said, Rob, we'd like to put an offer in. I said, I have to negotiate first with the highest bidder. So if you want that opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, please make sure you've got your hand up. Our vendors offer the property described as particular title, volume 10489, folio 051, together with its land and all its improvements, better known to you and I as number 7, Huxley Court, here, at the heart of Bayswater. Well, the chattels, they include all fixed fixtures, electric light fittings, water wall carpets, as you have inspected. According for a humble 10% deposit and settlement between 60 days and the 8th of September. So you can have anywhere between there, anywhere between the 60 days and the 8th of September. Forming the backup, the contract is the vendor statement, otherwise known as the Section 32. It has been expertly prepared by our vendor solicitor. It has been on display for the last half an hour, but I understand that several of you have had it emailed out to you during the course of the campaign, so I won't go through it in its entirety. It does state that the land size is approximately 1,094 square metres. It is zoned General Residential Schedule 2. Outgoings are roughly $3,000, made up of city council rates and water by measure. Are there any questions in relation to the rules of the paperwork itself? I shouldn't think so. Well, ladies and gentlemen, before the start of the auction, I spoke to the vendor. I said, what do you love about the house? They said, Rob, it's not a house, it's a home. And you see, ladies and gentlemen, that's what we've got on display here. A home. 1,094 square metres of land. Double glazed windows. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, fully renovated. 900mm. Electrolytes cooktop, undermounted sink, stone benchtops, floor-to-ceiling tiles in the bathroom. It's been rendered. You've got that beautiful large backyard and fantastic bowl of accord on the high side. You know, the backbone of any good real estate decision is location. Why aren't you sport for choice here? If schools are what you're after, you're in the exclusive Bear Hills College school zone. You've got Knox Shopping Centre, where you do the walking and your wallet does the talking. You see my wife there, tell her to come home and that we miss her. It's got everything you need. You've got the train, quick access to the Eastern Freeway, turn left, you're at the Mornington Peninsula, turn right, you're at the MCG, seeing Hawks, get up. It's got everything you need. But ladies and gentlemen, this is the thing. We've got record low interest rates and a shortage of quality properties on the market. And every week I have buyers coming up to me and saying, Rob, have you got anything else coming up? There's just nothing on the market. And I can assure you that having a look at homes on a Saturday is not fun. It gets tiresome. So if you've been looking for a while and you're falling in love with Huxley Court, can I ask you one thing and one thing only? Is that stretch. Stretch yourself that little bit extra, because in years to come, I'll be having a cup of tea and a Tim Tam in the lounge room and you'll say to me, Robert, thank you. Thank you for stretching me. Thank you for pushing me that little bit extra. So without any further ado, where can I see an opening start? Anywhere at all. I love this part of the auction. You look at me, I look at you. Is that a bid, sir? Oh, sorry, I thought you yelled something out. It's like a nervous first date during the start of an auction. I'll tell you about nervous first date. 6.5 years ago when I went on a nervous first date and ended up marrying her. I'm going to be a father in 8 weeks. So good things happen slowly sometimes. But if you don't want to start it, I will, I don't mind. It's where we finish the count. I put a vendor bid in at $800,000. Can't be fairer than that. Had a vendor bid at $800,000 looking for a humble 10-eater at all. Had a vendor bid at 800. Had 800,000 I have. Had a vendor bid at $800,000 bid with me. Everyone's been very quiet. I know that several of you have been here 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Everyone's got a strategy. I won't bid it for the profits of the market. I know a lot of you have woken up this morning, had your Whitbix and your coffee, and you've said to your friends and family, I'm looking at bidding at a property. 810 Mammoth was on the Bachelor, give you a rose at 810 here, at 810,000 here. Welcome to bidding, always takes the brave soul. At 810, at 810 here on the left, at 810,000 I have. At $820,000 bids here at 810.
Yep, 820.
20, sir, welcome to bidding at 820 to my rear. 20, 30 can I say? The nod, wink, outright abuse, man, I don't mind. 820 here, 30 can I say? 30 here. 20's here, 30. At 820,000, at 820, at 820 I have, at $820,000. First call. Second call. 30, welcome to bidding. 30, 40. 30 here, at 830, at 830 here, at 830 here, against you and you, at 830, at 830,000, at 830, at 830,000. First call. 40. Welcome to bidding, sir, at 840. At 840 here, at 840, 50, sir, 50, at 850, 60, sir, 50 here, 60, can I say? At 850 here, 860. Dale, 850 here, 60, can I say? 60, 860, 860, first here, at 80, but I'll be 870, sir. 870, welcome to bidding, at 870, 80, can I say? At 870 here, at 870,000. Sir, it's only money, once you've got plenty of it. If you don't do that, you'll hurt your neck. At 870 here, 870,000. 80, 80 here, 90, 90, don't wait, sir, you've got glasses on. 80 here, 90, 90, 9, 890 here. 95, 905, 905. No, I won't take 5. At 895, at 900, 900 can I say, sir? 900, off the back, at 900 here, at 900,000, 910, 20. 910 here, sir, you're with you from the start. You sure? Finish? Done? At 910, at 910, at 910 here in the centre, at $910,000. First call at 910,000. Second call at 910,000. Third.
915.
No, ma'am. Don't take 5s, I'll take 10. 20. Welcome to this. At 920. 30, sir. 30. 40. Yell it out, ma'am, it makes you feel better. 930 here, 40 can I say? I know you want to say it, so we'll tip of your tongue. 930 here, at 930, 40 here, at 940, 50, 40 here, 90 at 960,000, at 960,000 I have, at 950 here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a cheap renovation. This is quality here. You have the doors to the light fittings to the LED lights. All you need to do is work out where you're going to put your couch. 60? 60. 960. At 960. At 960 I have. At 960,000. 70 going to say, sir. 70? Okay. You know what they say, expensive today, cheap tomorrow. You can never pay too much for real estate, you simply just bought it too early. At 960 here. At 960. At $960,000. First. Second. Third. Final call. Hold finish. Go 7. Go 7. 970. 970. At 970. 80 David. 970 here. $970,000. At 970,000 here. At 80. 80. 90. 980 here, at 980 here, at $980,000, at $980,000. First call at 980,000. Second call at 980,000. Third, final call. Hold finish, hold silent, hold done at $980,000. ladies and gentlemen, while I think my vendor's instructions. As you can appreciate, ladies and gentlemen, selling the family home is always a big decision. And I was just speaking to the owners and they said, Rob, it's been 5 years of blood, sweat and tears and a lot of money. At $980,000, we're close to not quite home. $980,000, in the absence of any further bidding, I will be passing it in the family over here. They will have the first right to negotiate. So if you have been holding back, ladies and gentlemen, please let me know now. 980 will be passed in the family over here. I'll call it 3 times and 3 times only at $980,000. First call at $980,000. Second call. 990 million, sir. $90 million per side. When we think about it, the more it makes sense. $1 million here, $1 million here, $1 million in 10. First call at $1 million. Second call. $1 million in 10 here. $1 million in 10. And $1 million in 10 I have. And $1 million in 10 here. 20, sir. Yeah. $1 million in 10 here. $5,000. You sure? $5,000. $1 million in 10. First call. Second call. Third. Final call. All finished. All silent. All done. At $1 million in 10,000. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be passing in the property of the family over here. Thanks for coming to another Philip Webb auction. If you've got any interest, please feel free to come see us.